Hello everybody, we are a group number 2 and um, we are assigned to the clinical case 2. Point number 1. According to the initial data, what do you expect to find? High or low myopia or hyperopia, and curved or flat cornea, and short or large axial length? Answer. Based on the information provided, we expect a refractive defect of high hyperopia. The patient has a flat cornea. We know this thanks to the keratometry. The patient axial length is short as it is below 24 millimeters. Thank you.
The first thing that we have to do is take the axial length, which is 21.5, and with the number line we do the conversion from millimeters to diopters, and from 24 millimeters to 21.5 millimeters there are positive 7.5 diopters, and it's positive because it's lower than 24. After that, in K we do the same thing, except that this time the flattest meridian, which is 42.50. So we look at the number line and we count how much is between 44 and 42.50. And that would be 2.50 millimeters, which is the equivalent to 2.50 diopters. And it would also be positive because it's lower than 44. After that, we do the Java's law. So AK would be the distance between the two meridians, and that gives me minus 0.50 by 0 degrees. And AT would be neutral because I subtract AK and AL. So that would give me neutral. Now we will use the formula to find the refraction. And the formula is axial length plus AT is the same as refraction. Now replace the formula, and it would give us refraction is the same as plus 7.5 diopters, and that is that would be with the name of high hyperopia.
3. Now I'm going to talk about the data from the static retinoscopy. We are going to perform the transposition, and which will allow us to know the name of the defect. As in this case, we don't have a cylinder, as we can see. When performing the transposition, we could say that is a high hyperopia because it exceeds plus by 25 diopters.
Number 4. Is the result consistent with your expectation, yes or no, and why? No. It was expected that the keratometry would agree with the RX, but it was the opposite since we thought it was myopia. But we realized, thanks to keratometry, that the curvature of the cornea was so cured that it became a hyperopia.